I recently had my check engine light come on. I read the codes and got P0171 and P0174 indicating a lean fuel mixture condition. This usually means a leak in the air intake or vacuum system. I made this to find the leak. I have combined two different ideas from YouTube for this build. Also, this gave me a good reason to scrap my old piece of junk 1985 25-watt soldering iron, and gave me an excuse to replace it with this one. I drilled a hole and put in a rubber grommet. Then I cut the electric cord of the soldering iron and pushed it through the grommet from the inside. Then I wrapped it with fiberglass cloth left over from another project and soaked it with mineral oil and wired it onto the iron. Then twist-capped the electric cord back together. I then drilled holes and used 2 sets of cheap Harbor Freight air hose fittings to make the air inlet and outlet. I also put a dab of RTV silicone in the end of the iron where the cord exits to seal it up. I added a small puddle of mineral oil in the bottom of the can to wick into the fiberglass before sealing the lid. It does take a few minutes to warm up. I'd rather have that than something too hot that creates fire inside the can. By the way, I regulate my compressor to put out less than 2 psi before hooking it up. Final test. It works fine. This should make finding leaks in the vacuum system or air intake easy to spot.